Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. We're here at 575 North Main Street, Unit 204, Fall River, Massachusetts. Started our video tour right when you walk in. Second floor. Closet space here. To my right, bathroom, shower tub and vanity. Refrigerator, electric stove, countertop and cabinet space, brand new carpet. Your living area here could easily partition off in the middle of the room and make a living room and a bedroom. Have a back entrance here as well with a small balcony. If you'd like to apply for 575 North Main Street, Unit 204 in Fall River, Massachusetts, click that apply now link at the bottom of the screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.